Hello again, and thank you for visiting the Coin Matters channel. Focus closely on today's video because we'll be discussing XRP's prospects, which you won't want to miss. To be eligible for the giveaway, new subscribers must first subscribe to the channel and enable post alerts by clicking the bell. Remember that this video is not intended to serve as financial guidance, crypto detective and major player in the XRP community. On Twitter, Mr. Huber addressed the implications of Bill Hinman's Ethereum study for the XRP case. Mr. Huber recently tweeted about how significant it was that Judge Torres applied Hinman's analysis to XRP after the material was made public. Mr. Huber speculates that the same analysis would be applied to XRP if Judge Torres rules that William Hinman legitimately excluded Ethereum from securities legislation. If XRP is not considered a security, it will not be subject to the regulations that apply to securities. Mr. Huber further notes that the scope and disclosure of assets were ignored in Hinman's examination. This indicates that applying the same research to XRP could help solidify its classification as a non-security. Mr. Huber, though, offers a different interpretation. He argues that a different outcome is possible if Judge Torres finds that Hinman did not legitimately exempt Ethereum from securities regulation but agrees that Hinman's remarks could reasonably lead one to believe that XRP falls under the same laws. In this scenario, XRP could be penalized because of the possibility that it is classified as a security. The absence of fair notice and penalties, however, are issues that Mr. Huber believes should be taken into account. To a crypto enthusiast who questioned Hinman's analysis's relevance to the SEC's evidence against Ripple, Mr. Huber responded with a tweet. Mr. Huber clarifies that the XRP community is against Hinman's views in a follow-up tweet. Ripple's counterargument, which emphasizes the lack of post-sale obligations, is viewed as more solid and provable from a legal standpoint. Mr. Huber questions the efficacy of decentralization thus far and calls it arbitrary, turning the conversation to the market success of XRP. Recent drops haven't stopped it from finishing in the top 10 best performers of the year. In terms of price appreciation, it is presently third, behind Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum. This success was recently tweeted about by CoinGecko, a prominent price tracking platform, to display the year-to-date performance of the top 10 crypto assets, excluding stable coins. Bitcoin's price surged 84% from its initial investment of $16,540, the data shows. Solana is close behind with a 70% gain this year despite having difficulties with the FTX crash in November of last year. Ethereum's growth of 59% puts it in third place. XRP is currently in fourth place, after a 44% gain. Its value has increased from its January 1st low of 34 cents. The impact of the terra and FTX implosions, as well as rising legal pressure, led to a 59% decrease in XRP by the end of the preceding year. The public release of Hinman's emails has led to increased optimism among investors and confidence in a favorable verdict in the Ripple versus SEC action, making this year a better one for XRP. In addition, Ripple has taken important steps towards development, increasing its footprint in custody services and making headway among central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Despite legal pressure from the SEC case, XRP rallied to a new all-time high of 41 cents in the first 4 weeks of this year. On the other hand, as the year went on, XRP prices fell as the market as a whole experienced a bearish storm. However, in March, May, and June, XRP performed solo shows that displayed his determination and strength. As a result of March's lone bounce, XRP went from 37 cents on March 11th to 58 cents on March 29th, an increase of 59%. Despite further declines, XRP has shown resilience. The Coin Jacko report came out when XRP was trading at 49 cents, a 44% rise from the beginning of the year. Let's talk about how Ripple's position in international payments was affected in the continuing legal battle between the SEC and Ripple. XRP holders attorney in the Ripple versus SEC litigation, John Deaton, made a startling claim about Ripple's role in facilitating cross-border payments in a recent tweet. Deaton claims that Ripple has been pushing for cryptocurrency and cross-border transactions since 2015, far before either idea took off. Deaton, however, admitted that the continuing legal dispute has done substantial harm to Ripple and the broader use of XRP. He stressed that the case's significance should not be downplayed despite the Ripple's rapid expansion across the globe. The crypto community responded quickly to Devans's tweets. A member of the XRP community suggested filing a countersuit against the SEC and the government to seek compensation for losses such as lost revenue and reputation. Legal fees and damages for slander against Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, and Chris Larsson, chairman of Ripple. This opinion represents the general consensus that culpability for the harm done must be established. A Twitter user by the name of Rick Smitty also brought up politics, laying blame on the Democrats and implying that they were covering up for the bankers. Despite the absence of proof, concerns regarding the case's motivations and potential influence on the crypto industry as a whole are echoed in the remark. In spite of the litigation's detrimental consequences on Ripple's reputation and growth, the company has made headway in the realm of cross-border cryptocurrency payments. While legal procedures did hamper Ripple's progress, the company nonetheless made strides in the cross-border payments industry. Ripple's continued efforts to innovate in this space were recently highlighted by its participation in discussions on facilitating cross-border payments through central bank digital currencies at the International Monetary Fund, IMF. The ramifications of Judge Torres' judgment and the fate of the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit are still unknown as the legal struggle nears its conclusion. These conclusions will have far-reaching implications for how XRP is eventually categorized and where it goes in the crypto market. Okay, that's it for today, gents. How do you feel about XRP? Participate and tell us what you think in the comments section. Please show your appreciation for this video by giving it a big thumbs up if you found it entertaining. Additionally, if you want to be notified the next time we release a video on the latest XRP and cryptocurrency news, be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. Bye.